Well, hello. Today we are gonna unbox Xiaomi 30,000 milliampere power bank. The Xiaomi Charger Power 30. It has micro USB, USB-C, and USB-A. Oh, that's heavy. And it has also guarantee. And also here is a barcode where you can scratch it and check the serial if it's authentic. Let's go and unbox it. Come here. Alright, let me open this up. Let's see what do we got. Yes, as you can see, here we have a USB-C cable, and we have the power bank itself. It has a power button in here, and now let's open this up like this. Here we have two USB-A, USB-C, and micro USB. Let's see what else we got. We have nothing, just it. Now put it here. Let's see if it's charging the phone or not. It's quickly charging and it doesn't show what's the speed of it. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe because new awesome videos are on the way. Thank you. Bye for now.